31 Reasons to Love Aloe Vera. The ultimate guide to gel and juice benefits. Introduction. Aloe vera, also known as the plant of immortality, has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. This succulent plant contains a gel-like substance that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a popular ingredient in skincare, hair care, and digestive health products. Skincare benefits. Aloe vera gel and juice have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various skin conditions. The moisturizing properties of aloe vera make it an excellent choice for dry or sensitive skin, while its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated skin. In addition to these benefits, aloe vera can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, thanks to its ability to stimulate collagen production. It can also help improve skin elasticity and firmness, leaving your skin looking youthful and radiant. Digestive health benefits. Aloe vera has been used for centuries to treat various digestive issues. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in soothing and healing the digestive tract. Aloe vera is also known to help regulate bowel movements, making it useful for those with constipation or diarrhea. In addition, aloe vera contains enzymes that aid in digestion by breaking down food and increasing nutrient absorption. It can also help reduce acid reflux and heartburn by balancing stomach acidity levels. Immune system boosting benefits. Aloe vera is not only great for your skin and hair, but it also has amazing benefits for your immune system. The plant contains compounds that have been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and even antifungal properties, making it a powerful natural remedy. One of the key compounds in aloe vera responsible for its immune-boosting properties is asamanin. This polysaccharide has been found to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. Additionally, asamanin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation and promote healing throughout the body. Hair and scalp benefits. Aloe vera is not just beneficial for the skin, but it can also promote hair growth. The enzymes found in aloe vera can help remove dead skin cells from the scalp, allowing for better absorption of nutrients and promoting healthy hair growth. In addition to promoting hair growth, aloe vera can also reduce dandruff. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe an itchy scalp, and its antifungal properties can help eliminate the yeast that causes dandruff. Conclusion. In conclusion, aloe vera gel and juice offer a wide range of benefits for both the skin and body. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties make it a great addition to any skincare routine. In addition, aloe vera can help improve digestive health by soothing and healing the digestive tract. It also has immune system boosting benefits due to its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Lastly, aloe vera can benefit hair and scalp health by promoting hair growth and reducing dandruff. Overall, incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try and experience the amazing benefits for yourself?